In this video, I'm going to give you a general overview on how to connect Prometheus to Grafana. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, download Prometheus and Node Explorer. You can get this started by going over to prometheus.io, click on the download option at the top, and downloading the latest release available for Prometheus. And if you scroll down, you should also be able to find Node Explorer Exporter. So once you have the latest version or the latest release of both of these downloaded, you will be able to install them. So install Prometheus Node Exporter. Install it on all hosts that you want to monitor. So open a terminal of your choice, and you can open one of these for Prometheus and another one for Node Exporter. So run basic commands. You can extract it and navigate to the directory. So use a tar command, locate prometheus.iml file in the directory, modify the configuration file to monitor the hosts where you installed it, and once everything has been exported, you will be able to finish establishing this connection through the Grafana website. So with everything ready on your host, you will go to Grafana. Once you access the dashboard, go under Connections and then Data Sources. Once you choose this option, you will be able to find Add New Data Source. Use this button at the top right corner of the screen, and one of the options should be Prometheus, Open Source, Time Series Database, and Alerting. Make sure that you choose this as a data source, and in here you will be able to set up the Prometheus server URL to finish establishing this connection. Give it a name, and everything will be set up for you. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.